In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your WhatsApp application and there get into settings. Now here tap on account and there get into privacy. And there you have to make a couple of changes. So first get into last seen and set this option to nobody. By default it's set to everyone. You can set it to my contacts or my contacts except some specific contacts, but if you want to be offline even when you are online, just set this option to nobody and go back out of here. Next you have to do is to open up status and there set this option to only share with, and here actually don't select any of contacts, just hit done. Now you see only share with, 0 contacts included, and basically that's it. Now your account status will appear offline even when you are online on WhatsApp. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.